Oh.
We didn't
Did you
clean
leave that there?
I didn't.
Were you eating corn in this car?
Nope.
I'm Larry Chen. I take pictures for a living of cars, really cool cars like these two amazing Honda Fits. I just travel the world following racing, anything on four wheels.
My name is Steele Davis, Mr. Steele. I fly drones for a living, and I am here filming with drones.
This weekend, we are at GRIDLIFE Alpine Horizon, which is honestly one of my favorite events of the whole year. I have my Supra here. I'm actually doing chase cam, stills, and video.
I have only seen the infield, and this like front straight right here, I'm assuming it's a similar like to a NASCAR track. So I'm feeling fairly confident in at least understanding what the track direction is. I can't even drive stick.
You're lying.
No.
I see you drive stick all day, these two sticks with your thumb.
This is true. All right, a standard.
So these cars are bargain simple, really fun to drive, kind of bulletproof. We've done coilovers, tires, brakes, fluids, brake pads, and they stop really, really well. They are incredibly fun to drive, actually. And you can buy everything to build these cars at eBayMotors. So pretty fun. Format's gonna be, you guys go out riding with each other.
Oh my God, why does it do that? To lift the step out?
Swap cars.
How do you drive a manual again?
Ride with the other driver, and then you go head to head. It's built basically to Sundae Cup spec, which is single adjustable coilovers, 205 Falcon 660s, and rear sway bar.
Are you full throttle around the oval?
Yes. Don't lift in the dip.
Are you full throttle in the Supra?
Don't lift in the dip. If you don't want to be full throttle, you don't have to be, but they can 100% do it. So the benchmark time here,
34 seconds.
Not quite so much, but I think the record right now is a 111. All right, want to go to grid?
What are we doing?
See?
We'll open up the gate over here.
This single morsel of corn nuts.
It looks like it's about to blow.
Yeah.
It looked like it almost.
Now I have the advantage.
That's your dinner, Larry.
Holy
Cheater, Larry.
the front brakes are on fire.
Don't pull the e-brake.
Woo!
I might have pushed the brakes a little hard.
Larry pushed the brakes a little bit. It's great. But Steele went a 15.675. This is right in the middle of everybody so far. Larry got a 14.626, and his brakes show it. But not on your cheater lap, the last one that you stole. But you got a 16.3 that one.
Okay.
So.
Dude, this is so much fun. If you were able to somehow keep the ABS,
I mean, we will. We just can't this weekend.
With traction control off, then you can really push it.
There's a module that needs to be acquired.
Yeah. Then it's like all driver, because now it's like you have to give up so much.
Yeah. Pretty good. Well, good job, dudes. Did you have fun?
I did.
All right.
That was
we got to
fun.
go fly drones now.
Yeah.
All right, let's get after it. Good job, guys.
Thank you.
Good job.